We're going to do another multiplication problem using two decimals. So 2.8 times 0.3. 2.8 times 0.3. This time I'm going to start off by doing it the abstract way. We only have one multiplier, so it's actually not too hard. So we can multiply 2.8 times 0.3 by ignoring the decimals and just doing a normal multiplication problem, and then we'll figure out where the decimal goes after we're done. 3 times 8 is 24. We carry the 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. There are two numbers to the right of the decimal point, which means we will count over 2 and place our decimal point. 1, 2. You might wonder, well, gosh, that number is smaller than 2.8 because 2 is a whole number, right? But remember, when we multiply by a smaller number than 1, our answer will be smaller because you're basically dividing now. You are dividing because this is 0.3 and not 3. 2.8 times 3 would be different than 2.8 times 0.3. But since it's 0.3, you're going this way. And remember, every time we go this way, we're dividing by 10, aren't we? 2.8 times 0.3 is 0.84. But did you know that you can also do it so that you turn this multiplier into a whole number? If I move this decimal right there, so basically if I already move my unit to the tenths and I turn it into this 0.28, now I can multiply it by a whole number. 0.28 times 3. And isn't that pretty easy? Haven't we learned that multiplying a decimal by a whole number is easy? Let's try it. Here is 28 hundredths once. Now I need 28 hundredths twice. There's 26 hundredths, 27 hundredths, 28 hundredths. And we need it 3 times, right? Here is 28 hundredths 3 times. All right, there we go. 28 hundredths 3 times. Well, then we just count them up. Remember, multiplication is repeated addition. This is the long way. This is why you want to know your multiplication tables, because otherwise this takes way longer than you want it to. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Exchange. I know this is 6 plus 4 is 10. So I have 10. To exchange. My answer is 4 in my hundredths place. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Well, gosh, that's just what we just got, isn't it? answer in hundredths was 4 hundredths. Our answer in tenths was 8 tenths. Our answer total is 84 hundredths. Let's do it this way. It's the same thing. 3 times 8 is 24. You write the 4, carry the 2 tenths. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's our answer. See?